Let's talk about this Republican government shutdown. So why is this a Republican shutdown, first of all? Well, they control all three branches of government, so safe to say this is on you guys. Basically, what the Republicans want, they want a continuing resolution. So that just means kicking the can down the road because they're incapable of governing or passing laws on their own. The Democrats are fighting for the Affordable Care Act subsidies. The Affordable Care Act, that allows private citizens to purchase affordable health care. The Republicans cut $1 trillion of funding from the Affordable Care Act and Medicaid to give a huge bag of cash to the rich. Now, I'm a small business owner. We have our own company. We use the Affordable Care Act for coverage. I'm pretty worried too, because I know that costs are likely to double. So the Republicans are crying about undocumented immigrants getting free health care. They're drumming up fear about immigrants to take away our health care, plain and simple. This is all about a tax cut for the wealthy. So I've got some receipts. Check this out. Medicare is tied to your Social Security work history and your lawful presence. Undocumented immigrants are not eligible, and they never have been since the law started in 1965. For Medicaid and CHIP, these are federal public benefits. Undocumented immigrants are not qualified. This has been the case since 1996. The Affordable Care Act for subsidies and the marketplaces. The law literally states access is limited to lawful residents, and it's been that way since 2010. And you can call me whatever you want, but I think there should be an exception for emergencies. It doesn't matter if someone's an immigrant or not. If you're dying on the sidewalk in front of a hospital, the last thing you need to worry about is making sure you have your immigration papers. So what do Democrats want? It's pretty simple. We don't want to pay double for health care on the Affordable Care Act marketplace. The Republicans cut $1 trillion from Medicaid, the Affordable Care Act, and related programs with their big, beautiful bill. And they're currently scrambling because their cuts are devastating rural communities. They're blaming immigrants. It's already illegal, by the way, for undocumented people to access these programs. The Republicans want us to rely on large businesses so that we're chained to our desks through our health care. They want us to depend on them. They have no plans.